Hello everyone, my name is Vanshika Agarwal. I am STEM instructor at Science Utsav. Today we are going to learn about buttons and arrangements in an app. What are the properties of the buttons, how to do the coding of the buttons in arrangement, what are the arrangements available in MIT App Inventor, etc. etc. And we are also going to make an app using buttons and arrangement. So let's dive into what are arrangements. Arrangements, there are two types of arrangements available in MIT App Inventor, that is horizontal arrangement and vertical arrangement. So whenever you want to arrange something from left to right, that is horizontally, we use horizontal arrangement. And whenever we want something to arrange from up to down, that they should be visible from up to down, 1 2 3, we use vertical arrangement. So today we are going to make an app in which whenever we'll click a button, the color of the screen will change, and whenever we long click on the button, again the color of the screen will change. So let's start making an app. So for creating the app in the MIT App Inventor, we have started a new project named Buttons. So as I told you, in this app we are having three components: vertical arrangement, and inside vertical arrangement we are having two other components, button and a horizontal arrangement. So let's start by adding all three of them. First we'll go to the layout on the left side of the screen. We'll select vertical arrangement, and inside the vertical arrangement we'll add a button, then a horizontal arrangement. Again go to layout and horizontal arrangement. So as you can see on the right side of the screen under components, you can see all the components you have added, that are vertical arrangement 1, button 1 and horizontal arrangement. So now let's start changing its properties. We'll first change the properties of the vertical arrangement. We'll align center. We'll also vertically align it to the center. Then we will change its height to fill parent. Change its width also to fill parent. You can change according to it, whatever you like. Now we'll change for the button. There are so many options under the properties. You can see font bold, font italic, font size, height, width, image. For this app, I am going to use an image. What we need to do, we need to go to image, upload file, choose a file, choose whatever image you like. I am using this button image. Open. Okay. Yeah, as you can see the button images, but it is not proper. We'll change the height to fill parent and width also to fill parent. As you can see, some text is written on it. We'll remove the text. Now we'll do it the properties for horizontal arrangement 1. We'll change its height to fill parent, width also to fill parent. Yeah. So as you can see, my button is like a little bit stretched. So I'll change its height and width according to my convenient. I'm changing its pixel to 200, anything, it's a guess. Width also to 200. Yeah, now it looks perfect. So this was the design part for me in the MIT App Inventor. Like you can change so many, like you understood, we'll go to the right side of the screen, we'll change all the properties we want. We can see the components here on the screen. If you want to add something to an app, we'll go to the left side. That was all for the design part. Now we'll do the coding part. Yeah. For the coding part, what we need is when we'll click a button, a color should be visible on the screen. And when we long click on the button, again some other color should be visible. So we'll go to the button 1. As you can see here, it is when button one dot click. Here are so many options. We'll go it for the first one. We'll choose this. Now we want color. What we want is a color to be visible in the horizontal arrangement. We'll go to the horizontal arrangement. We'll see set horizontal arrangement dot align horizontal. Yeah, we find out set horizontal arrangement dot background color. We are just going to add. Now we need to add a color. We can find the color on the left side of the screen, colors. There are so many colors. You can add any color you like. I'm adding red. Yeah, that was for the click part. Now we need to create for the long click. We'll again go to the button one. We'll select this option. Now we can, instead of going to the horizontal arrangement, we can right click on this green one, click on duplicate, we'll get the same one. But we need to change the color, otherwise it won't be visible that now we have long clicked it or clicked it. So we'll click on this color. As you can see, there are so many colors. I'm going for blue. You can choose whatever color you like. That was all for the coding part. We have done with the design part also. Now we will test our app. You can test your app on your phone also using AI Companion. We will test on the laptop using emulator. As you can see, my emulator is starting. It will take a moment. So my app looks something like this on an emulator. As you can see, this is the button. Now let's test it. I click the button, it changes to red. I long click the button, it changes to blue. See, my app is working. I hope you understood about buttons, how to change its properties, what are the arrangements available in MIT App Inventor. Thank you.